Chapter 12.1 is called One-Way Analysis of Variance. The samples in this problem come from the three states Kentucky, Louisiana, and South Carolina. Since each of these states is close in size in terms of their population, each state was examined to see how many high school graduates attend college on average in the years 2004, 2006, 2008, and 2010. At the 0.05 level of significance, can it be concluded that where you live has an effect on whether or not high school graduates will go to college? So first, you want to set up a graph. And show the percentages of high school graduates that attended college in each of the years. Next, we want to state our hypothesis. So H naught is mu1 equals mu2 equals mu3. This means that H1 is at least one of the means differs from the others. The next step is to find the critical value. And in order to find the critical value, we need to define the two variables k and n. K is the number of groups, which is 3, and n is the sum of sample sizes of the groups, so that would be 12. For the next step, you're going to want to go to Statless Editor on your calculator and click F5 and go to inverse F. It's going to ask you for the area, so you're going to put 0.95. And then for the degrees of freedom numerator, you're going to put 2. And degrees of freedom denominator is 9. Once you enter this, it'll be 4.256. You're going to want to label this on the graph. The next step is finding the test value. You can also do this on your calculator, so you're going to want to go to Statless Editor and enter list 1, 2, and 3. Next, click F6 and scroll down to see ANOVA. Make sure that the data input method says data and that there's the correct number of groups, which is 3. Once you enter all of this, you'll get your test value, which comes out to be 3.493. Next, label your test value on your graph. Since the test value does not land in the critical area, we do not reject. The statement is that there is not enough evidence to claim that one of the means differs from the others.